One of the most sought-after items since the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic is the face mask. In Cebu, a local artist has found other uses for this. Details in the report of Nico Sereno of GMA Regional TV, Balitang Bisda.
In his house in Barangay Kabangkalan, Mandaue City, artist Neil Nangit is busy painting his masterpiece. He is working on his version of the Cafe Terrace at Night by renowned artist Vincent van Gogh, but with a Pinoy touch. There's a barricade and monoblock chairs like a scene at a quarantine checkpoint. The famous Starry Starry Night is another Van Gogh piece that Neil made his own. But what makes his artwork stand out is that he uses face masks as a canvas for his paintings.
Kung linya kay music o art, so para karon wala ito ko tukar mga banda. Laay kayo, so sa art na lang. Imbis mag-paint ko, isud ko og materialis, ako ko mga pintal bag-o sa mga sobra-sobra po nis unang project nako.
Along with his depiction of famous artworks, Neil also did paintings on the different tourist spots and scenic sites of Cebu. Another painting is a tribute to a Cebuano food delivery rider who is a PWD. Nangit said painting on face masks has helped him with his anxiety while on quarantine for more than 2 months. Some of Neil's friends have commissioned him to make more art on masks or cater to his clients' specific designs. With his unusual paintings on face masks, Neil hopes that this may serve as a reminder of what many went through during these trying times. Together with June Solon, I am Nico Sereno for GMA Regional TV.